Brookie, open it. Open it. No, both it together, okay? Have Brookie help you.
What's on the wrapping paper? Very pretty.
Maybe. Have Brookie help you. Brookie, sure. It's a book! Open it up.
What does it say? Will you read it, babe?
It says for Caden and Brooklyn, December 2011, with love.
What's the name of the book? Could you read the book? What's the name of the book, babe?
We're not scared of anything.
I've got you and you've got me, and so we're brave as we can be.
Whatever day or night may bring, we're not scared of anything.
Read together by Mama, my part is in purple,
And Papa, my part is in red.
record, move switch to unlock position. It's getting late. The day is done. It's time for bed, my little ones.
But I see spooky things that creep. I'm way too scared to go to sleep.
This is awesome. Okay, Brookie, sit back.
Really? Show me what you see. Nothing ever frightens me.
My closet door is open wide.
What's that?
Is that a ghost I see inside?
This is what gave you such a scare? It's just your jacket hanging there. I knew that's what it had to be. Nothing ever frightens me.
But what's that underneath my bed? It's something scary, like I said.
That won't hurt you. Not a chance. It's just your missing underpants. I knew this
Don't touch
room was
it.
creature-free. Nothing ever frightens me.
Oh no! The face is peeking in. It has weird eyes and wrinkly skin.
His Papa was silly.
Look, it's just a tree that's got a really big and twisted knot. I'll never fear a silly tree. Nothing ever frightens me.
Eat. A huge and hairy beast. It must be 10 feet tall at least.
Huge? No way. It's itty bitty. See, it's just a tiny kitty. She's cute and harmless as can be. Nothing ever frightens me.
But what just crept across the floor? It disappeared behind the door. Roar! Aha! I scared you. Yes, I did. But look, it's only me, a kid.
Together, we're as brave as can be. Nothing ever frightens me.
Or me.
Yay!
What do you say? Brookie, what do you say? Thanks who? And say mama.
Say mama.
Say love you. Caden.
Say love you. Love you.